to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Victoria. I'm so glad that you are here. In today's video, I'm here with my mom. Hi! We're going to do a Dollar Tree haul together today, and we just got back from the Dollar Tree with my little sister and her friend. They are all here visiting, so we're super excited. I think they're going to come in a little bit and show you guys what they got, but we just got a bunch of random stuff. We just happened to stop in there and they had some really cute stuff. So if you want to see what we got from the Dollar Tree, then let's just keep on watching. Okay, so I'll let my mom go first. You show one thing and I'll show one thing, okay?
Okay. So, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Dollar Tree is my life and TJ Maxx.
She loves Dollar Tree.
I love the Dollar Tree. So, I've been dying. I watch a couple YouTubers that do Dollar Tree hauls, and this one girl, I think she lives in Utah, and she has the cutest socks there. So, I was kind of excited because my Dollar Tree never has nothing, sometimes. But I got these cute pizza socks.
Those are cute.
And then it comes with 2 pairs.
For $1.
For $1. And then these are so cute. It says BFF. And it's cookies and milk.
That's cute.
Yes. So excited. I wanted to try a head wrap. My hair is super short, but just to have one because the hard ones give me headaches. So trying this.
Yeah, that's super cute. Oh, wait, let me show some stuff. Okay, we'll go back and forth. Okay, the first thing that I got were 2 of these little buckets. How cute are these? So I got 2 of them, and they're plastic, and they're like this light gray, but they have these like little metal handles on each side. And I think I'm gonna use these for underneath some of my bathroom sinks, I think. But I got 2 of those, and then the other organizational thing I got were 2 of these. So I already have these in a hot pink color. Have 2 of them in my master bath and my guest bath. And I use these to like organize stuff underneath my sink, but they have this like little print. It's like super cute, but these are gray, which I like more than like the pink.
Well, I like to file my feet, but like whatever. But I got this before, and it's really good for it's kind of like the little egg. So I just picked that up.
Here, can I show them?
Yeah.
Okay. This is like the little petty egg. Let's see if you guys can see that. Yeah. And it was only $1, and then you just put it together, and it collects the like shavings inside if you have rough feet. So that's pretty cool.
So we were supposed to have a grill out for the 4th of July, but that didn't happen. And if you guys noticed, we are super fried from the beach. And we're gonna do hamburgers and hot dogs, and I've seen people get these, and that's the part of it. But they're little hot dog trays, and I thought,
so cute.
I heard they're cute to put your hot dogs in. So even though the 4th of July is already passed, but. And then I got some paper plates.
And you got 30 of those for $1.
Yeah.
I nailed it like the
hot dogs are 16
oh,
trays.
16 trays in there. That's nice. That's pretty a good price for 30 paper plates, $1.
I won't show you my other stuff. It's just some candy and little things. But I picked up Sherman a little treat from his grandma. And they're called Chicken and Dippin' Chewy Sticks.
Yeah.
They're chicken on the outside, brown rice on the inside. So
there's a lot of things from the Dollar Tree. Can I see this for a second?
Yeah.
No, the dog treats. There's a lot of things from the Dollar Tree I would never give Sherman. Like, they have a lot of rawhide things, which are really bad for your dogs. But these chicken, like, sticks things, they're, like, really tough for them to, like, chew on. It'll probably last them a little bit. And the ingredients aren't bad. So, if you're looking for something that's, like, a little bit cheaper of a treat that is still, like, not bad for them, this is not bad. These are only $1.
But these are my favorite, and they're so good. They will sell them at Walmart. They're part of Sam's, but they're called the Anderson Peanut Butter Filled. So they're pretzels with peanut butter.
They're so
for
good.
$1. The little bag's cute. But one more thing. My friend told me that she takes her kids and they get these, and they're called Cinnabon Gooey Bites. It's a little tray, and it's got enough. I mean, even 2 people could eat it, but it's I guess it's just one.
It's like 1 serving.
It says 2 servings. But they're little cinnamon buns with icing in a tray. All you do is heat it up and eat. So good.
So I'll show you guys the rest of what I got. I got this for my kitchen. It's just a Betty Crocker pasta server. So I have a bunch of these Betty Crocker things, like kitchen utensils from the Dollar Tree. And I think that $1 is a pretty good price, because if you go to like even Home Goods and TJ Maxx, they're like a little bit more expensive. But we made spaghetti last night and I realized I didn't have one. I think I used to, but I don't know what happened to it. So I got one of these. And then I got, oh my gosh, I got this mason jar. I'm really excited about it. So these were $1, and they were with the kitchen utensil stuff up at the front. So it just has a gold lid. And I got this because I've been making overnight oats a lot lately. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, I've been posting like little stories about which ones I've been making. I made some banana nut bread ones the other day. They were really good. And so I got one of these because I didn't have any like jars. I used like an old pizza sauce jar for the other one that I have, so I only had one. So if I want to make like ones for Devin too. The next thing that I got was this Veggie Brush. And I'm always looking like for, like I'm always scrubbing my veggies and fruit with my fingers, which is really nasty. But I don't have anything to wash them with, so I got this. And you can like wash your veggies and fruit with like just like vinegar and water is usually what I do. And you can scrub it with this, so I thought that was really cute. I don't really like the green color, but it is what it is. But it's just like a little brush, super cute. I posted this candle, not this one, but the Bath & Body Works one. What's it called? It's in your bathroom. It's Mahogany Teak Wood. It's from Bath & Body Works. This is Mahogany Coconut from the Dollar Tree. That's what the candle looks like on the top, but it's like a little mason jar, and it smells just like that candle. And for $1, it's super tiny, but I don't burn my candles like a ton, so I feel like that would last a long time. But it smells just like it. It's got that like manly smell. It's kind of what I like the masculine scented candles. So that smelled really good. So I got that. And then another thing, I guess this is the last thing that I got. My mom came with looks like a Turby Twist, and it's like a peach color. It's so cute, and it has like a little button on the back. And I have a Turby Twist, but it's just white, and I use it all the time when I get out of the shower. It's like a towel for your hair, and it's like a microfiber cloth, and then you just like twist your hair in the back and you button it on top or on the bottom. And so they had little microfiber hair towels, and it's better for your hair than like the terry cloth towels that you just like use for your body. But it's just this little peach color. So I'll go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys. And you can wash these in the washer, and I like these to wear like when I'm doing my makeup.
That looks exactly like mine.
I think it's the same one.
I think it is.
So it just looks like this, but it's super cute. And you just like put it on your head, and then you twist your hair, and then you button it. And yeah, I like to use that when I get out of the shower. Okay, so now I have my sister Amelia and her friend Brittany here. You want to say hello?
Hello.
Hi. They went to the Dollar Tree with us today, so I thought that they could show what they got. They got a lot of candy and stuff.
Well, we got coloring books because why not?
Something to do, and they're super burnt, so I think that me and my mom are about to go to the pool. I think they're gonna stay here. So they got coloring books to color. I like to color, it's relaxing.
Oh, yeah. We also got like coloring pencils, so I got markers. And
Ooh, those are nice for $1.
yeah, for 20.
Came with 20 of them, nice.
Because they didn't have a big colored pencils. So.
Wow.
Then I got Sweet Tart Rope Bites. They're pretty good. I mean,
I love the Sweet Tart Rope.
they're assorted flavors. They're pretty good. And then I got like almost the same thing, except for I got like the full rope ones, and they're just like the strawberry flavor because I like the regular ones better than those. Victoria doesn't have any type of sweet stuff here because she's on a all dairy diet. So
dairy-free diet.
yeah, same thing. So we got some freezer pops. They're
Yeah,
good flavors,
how many does it come with? Does it say?
20.
What? Oh my gosh, so it comes with 20 for $1. That's a pretty good price. Those are like the ones that like everybody likes. Let's see.
They're pretty good.
Yeah, it's just like the ones that you get from like Walmart or whatever.
Yeah.
And you just freeze them. Nice.
For $1, yeah.
For $1, not bad.
I just got the Trolley Sour Bright Octopuses because
Ooh, those are good.
I love the blue and green ones. I forgot, I got colored pencils too.
Oh.
She wanted the big pack, but they didn't have them, so yeah.
Oh, of the color pencils?
There's only 10 in that, so it's fine. I got Haribo Sour Spaghetti.
Ooh. Yum.
I've been craving sour things really lately. I don't know why, but I got Blow Pops because I was feeling it. And then I got, you know, $1. Comes with 4, so why not get both? These are Ring Pop Freeze, and these are just a regular Ring Pop because we stand an original queen.
Wait, do you freeze them?
I don't know. I think they're just like the flavor. Oh, because it's Berry Punch Frost, Lemon Lime Chill, Blue Raspberry Ice, and Rainbow Sherbet. Oh, Rainbow Sherbet?
Ooh.
No, you're not getting any. If there's a Rainbow Sherbet and there's only one, sorry sis. And then the last thing I got was I just got these Russell Stover caramel milk chocolates because I don't know.
It was just
You
there,
see,
and I was like, okay.
this Dollar Tree was like bougie, and they had a whole lot more than we do at ours because ours is kind of like a crackhead Walmart. She got some, oh, it's Jif to-go peanut butter. There's
That comes
3
with
cups.
3 for $1. Okay,
Yeah.
that is way cheaper than at the store. If you go to like Target, it comes with like 6. I think it's like $4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Victoria has us on the all-natural, dairy-free.
I have
gluten-free.
peanut butter. No, I have peanut butter.
It's all peanuts and it's
100%.
nasty.
But it's just 100% peanuts. It's the only ingredient. I will say it doesn't taste the best, but if you add a little bit of honey, it tastes good.
I hate honey.
Well,
Oh, and we got the SpongeBob one because, oh, and the strawberry shortcake.
I got the quotes one because I was feeling very inspirational. And then I just got the colored by numbers because I don't know what colors to choose.
okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I post every Wednesday and Saturday. And thank you to everyone for being in my video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye!